Young parents, carers and students are the latest target of the federal government's fierce determination to slash welfare. The Social Services Minister says continuing to hand out money isn't the answer, but remarkably he admits he doesn't know how to help them. Leah Craven reports from Canberra.
The government says it's time to break the welfare trap before it's too late.
There are simply too many instances to be ignored where young people enter the welfare system and remain inside it for their entire lives.
The Social Services Minister has identified a small but costly group most at risk of a lifetime of welfare dependency. 11,000 young carers who spend 4 decades on welfare will cost the public purse more than $5 billion. Just over 4,000 teen parents who rely on payments for 45 years will cost the taxpayer $2.4 billion. And more than 6,000 students who never find work will rely on $2 billion worth of welfare payments throughout their life. But when pressed on precisely how the government plans to assist these young people, the minister was stumped.
What kind of help can they get so they can reach their full potential?
Well, that's a really good question and one I don't have an answer for. And this is about other people bringing ideas to us.
One idea is subjecting dependent youth to an experimental initiative, the $96 million Try, Test and Learn Fund.
It's really about investing in people that are most at risk. I've worked with low-income people for most of my life, and early intervention is the key.
It's based on an approach used in New Zealand. The government there says it's reduced the country's welfare bill by billions. But the system's also faced criticism for prioritising cost-cutting over the long-term welfare of vulnerable people.
The strong focus was essentially how many people you could get off the social security system, and there was no effort to really look at what was happening.
That's a bit ridiculous. It's already really hard, frankly.
Leah Craven, 10 Eyewitness News.